In this video of Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization, we are going to discuss about discovery of Indus Valley or Harappan Civilization and the contribution of different Director Generals of ASI, that is Archaeological Survey of India. Let us see who discovered Indus Valley Civilization. Here you can see picture of R.D. Banerjee, and then here it is picture of Dayaram Sahni. Dayaram Sahni and Rakhal Das Banerjee, they worked under guidance of John Marshall. John Marshall was Director General of ASI in 1924. He announced the discovery of the हड़प्पन civilization to the world. लेकिन उससे पहले सबसे पहले एक्सकवेशन जो है 1921 में दयाराम साहनी, जो कि एक इंडियन आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट थे, क्योंकि आप देखिए एक बात को ध्यान दीजिएगा कि डायरेक्टर जनरल सब जगह जाके एक्सकवेशन नहीं कर सकते। उनकी जो सबसे बड़ी खासियत थी मार्शल की कि उन्होंने इंडियन आर्कियोलॉजिस्ट को साथ लेकर के भी काम किया, और उन्हीं के साथ काम करने वाले थे दयाराम साहनी, D.R. साहनी। इन्होंने सबसे पहले 1921 में हड़प्पा का एक्सकवेशन किया और यहाँ से ग्रीनरी के एग्जाम्पल्स मिले हुए हैं, यूनिकॉर्न सील मिली हुई है। सो दिस वॉज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। एंड आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट ईयर में दयार R.D. बनर्जी ने, यानी राखाल दास बनर्जी ने 1922 में मोहनजोदाड़ो का एक्सकवेशन कराया, और मोहनजोदाड़ो से डोमेस्टिक आर्किटेक्चर के एग्जाम्पल्स मिलते हैं। देन ग्रेट बाथ, प्रोटो शिवा, ये वाला एग्जाम्पल, ये सील वहाँ से मिलती है। प्रीस्ट किंग के एग्जाम्पल मिलते हैं जो हम पहली वाले वीडियो में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं प्रोटो शिवा के बारे में। तो दिस वॉज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द फाइंड्स in 1924, John Marshall announced the discovery of Harappan civilization to the world, and then in 1925 excavation began at Mohenjo-daro at a large scale. So children, it is very much clear how this Indus Valley civilization was discovered. First, excavation was taken up by Dayaram Sahani at Harappa, and then R.D. Banerjee in 1922 took up the excavation at Mohenjo-daro, and then in 1924 Marshall announced the discovery of Harappan civilization to the world. और S.N. Roy ने अपनी बुक द स्टोरी ऑफ इंडियन आर्कियोलॉजी में लिखा, Marshall left India 3000 years older than he found her, यानी भारत की जो सभ्यता की जो उम्र थी वो काफ़ी पीछे चली गई और 3 विश्व की बड़ी समकालीन सभ्यताओं के समकालीन हो गई। India became contemporary to the world civilizations, that is Mesopotamian civilization, then Egypt civilization, that is known as Nile River Valley civilization, and Chinese civilization which was situated on Yellow River, that is known as Wanghu River Valley civilization. So John Marshall, he was the person who has announced the civilization to the world. So let us take up the 3 Director Generals and their work and contribution. Cunningham, the first Director General of ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. He began archaeological excavations in mid-19th century. He was mainly interested in 600 BCE to 400 CE time period. He used Chinese and Buddhist texts. A Harappan seal was given to Cunningham by an Englishman. He noted the object, but unsuccessfully he tried to place it within the time frame with which he was familiar, and he was familiar with 600 BC to 400 CE. So that is why Cunningham was confused. Then here comes John Marshall. He was Director General of ASI. He announced Harappan civilization to the world in 1924, and he announced to the world that Harappan civilization is contemporary to Mesopotamian civilization. He means this Marshall had an experience of Greece and Crete, but there was limitation in his archaeological excavation because he ignored the stratigraphy of the site or mount. Because he excavated the mount on horizontal units. Third archaeological survey, a third Director General of Archaeological Survey of India was R.E.M. Wheeler. We are very thankful to him. He joined ASI in 1944. He brought military preciseness. Preciseness means perfection, and he followed the stratigraphy of the mount. And in this manner, archaeology began in India because of these three Director Generals. So let us take up the quick revision. We have discussed discovery of civilization. First, we have discussed about Dayaram Sahni in 1921. He did excavation at Harappan site. Then next year, Mohenjo-daro site was excavated under guidance of archaeologist R.D. Banerjee, Rakhal Das Banerjee, and on the basis of these excavations in 1924, John Marshall announced the discovery of Harappan civilization to the world. Right? And then we have discussed about Cunningham confusion. He was confused because he was mainly interested with the historical era of Indian civilization. Then we have discussed contribution of John Marshall and his limitation. Only one limitation, that he ignored the stratigraphy of the mount. And then we are very thankful to R.E.M. Wheeler. He brought military preciseness and he followed the stratigraphy of the mount. Thank you.